Okay, so BEEST USA, or just BEEST, sent me this spray foam gun kit. Before I kind of show that off, it came in this nice big old box with some custom tape, so I think that's pretty cool. But let's take a look at kind of the main gun itself, but it came with a few other things. So I think from what it looks like, it's kind of similar to a caulking gun, but a couple of descriptions on one side. The back has instructions on how to use. I will confess, I'm not very much of a I don't know what the word is. I don't know how to build or do a lot of home modeling, whatnot, so I feel a little out of my league when talking to this stuff, but I hope I can at least give some just insight. So okay, so we got the gun here, pretty good weight to it, I'd say. Sounds like there's some air coming out of that end. Don't know what the nozzle does. This is the thickest, or the biggest diameter tube. There's a couple of these. Those are basically the same size, so kind of a smaller tip. And then these might be the same size. Yeah, so those are the same size. So let's look at the gun. There's that end as well. I don't know if you probably have to hook that up to something. Again, not entirely sure everything that I'm talking about. So comes with a coverall, so maybe similar to a hazmat suit, but not as like tight. So kind of like a fabric-y, breathable material. This is the insulation itself. So, oh gosh, hold on, I'm gonna pause the video. So the cap had a couple of these things in them. Again, not entirely sure what they are. And then the can itself, it looks like has one way of coming off. So there's a top, and I don't know if you're able to twist the rest of it off, but I'm gonna leave it with that so I don't mess up anything. A pair of goggles, very important. Those I think are pretty nice. Some more spray foam, similar thing as a top. And let me just organize this and make sure I'm not missing anything else too important. Okay, yeah, so the only other thing that I think is important to mention is there's this instruction guide, how to get started and how to use this. So if you're a first-time user, I think that's pretty great. I think I would feel confident after looking over the instructions on how to use this. But yeah, it's a really great pack if you're needing to get some insulation put down and provided. So, and it comes with, yeah, a good number of things. So if you got a home project you got to do, pick this up, and happy insulating.